Hi, this is Mahesh Karnati, and I am pursuing Masters in Latrobe University as a manufacturing engineer. There are a lot of debates regarding mining sectors, even though they are having some advantages in their own aspects, like producing raw materials and energy resources for the industries for our daily purposes. It also affects environment in negative ways. So based on these facts, I am gonna tell you about environmental sustainability practices on mining sectors and their regulations. Let me tell you what is environmental sustainability. There are a lot of definitions in many countries, and let me tell you one of them. Sustainability is addressing the issues of the present and also thinking about the future generations and at the same time uh, for meeting the requirements of future generations without having any depletion of natural resources. And it plays a major role in the mining sector, and it always tells us about problems which occur by the mining sector because of their operations if we are not considering the limitations of earth resources. What does environmental sustainability concerns about? It always concerns about intergenerational decisions, which is thinking about the moment and not thinking about the future generations at the same time. For example, coal, which is easily obtainable and is cheap, and if we use it continuously, there will be depletion of ozone layer because of pollution which caused by the coal. Target welfare, not GDP. It always focus on economic and social welfare more than the GDP. Avoid excess pollution. Because of excess pollution, there will be rise in global warming, which results in depletion of ozone layer, water resources, and there will be climate change. Protect health ecosystems. If we are not protecting the ecosystems, we are not able to create a new medicines for the new viruses like COVID-19. Shift to the renewable resources. If we use the non-renewable resources continuously, it does affect the environmental in negative way, such as ozone layer depletion, water degradation, soil erosion, and climate changes. Main challenges of mining sector: problems of material resources, which is if the mining sector is using the bad material, which is not good in terms of strength and not having good properties, it does affect in negative way, such as mm, explosion of mining sector leads to gas release, which affects the environment and the surrounding people. Restoration of surrounding area, which is affected by mining sector. And while working in the on site, sometimes the debris may fall, so people may get damaged at that time. So this is one of the main challenges for mining sector, and also safeguarding the environment while maintaining their company objectives. These are the main challenges of mining sector. Regulations of mining industries. Work Health and Safety Act. This act deals with planning of mining sector in terms of health and safety of the workers who are working in whether in on-site or inside. Waste Management Act. After the usage of materials and chemicals, the mining sector need to be dumped into some place, and this act deals with it. They need to explain them properly, like whether it will affect the environment or the people who are living surrounding to it. Environmental Restoration Plan. Because of the operations in the mining sector, or because there is an incident which is like chemical leakage, and due to that there will be land degradation, so the mining sector need to be take actions regarding to that and do some plans like restoration of that land. Environmental management system and European eco management scheme. For the mining sector, this act is important because this certificate shows that they are following the environmental management steps. Actions that are taken by mining industries are changing to renewable resources, closely monitoring the pipeline, because there will be sometimes spillage of chemicals or liquid along the pipelines which are used for the operation, and with the help of the naked eye we cannot see, and this can be done by using the advanced technologies. Implementing mitigation and management process for observation of creatures which are living in mining caves such as bats, and providing a place for them, and also observing the sanitation levels of water such as pH level, along with their observing materials properties for for the operations, and also observing the gas emission levels continuously for having a better environmental sustainability. These are the references I have taken for providing a valuable insights regarding the environmental and sustainability practices in the mining sectors. And thank you.